First of all, Karan, especially you have to say, you have to use some vocabularies. Okay. Yeah. Karan, first of all, you start your answer. Extempore speech. Hello.
First is market.
Hmm.
Yeah. First is market. A place where we can buy anything for our need. Because because here it is a group of shops where many of the vendors sell their items and as well as products. So, such as we shall take clothes, furniture, stationery items and cutlery, etc. And the second one is clothes. Clothes are divided into many parts as such also depends on the nature. As such also depends on the temperature. As we know, all of the human body needs protection from sun and dust in hot and cold and wet in winters. And it is a piece of cake for clothes. Friend. Friend is one of the noblest and most rewarding of all human relationships. Friend is one of the most important relation that human can form. It it only built on trust, mutual respect, and a shared set of values and beliefs. Fourth is pencil. A first tool of mind writing secret is a pencil, but the writing of a pencil gets blurred over the time. for for making pencil For making pencil, we need graphite and clay mixture to form the lead, and we also need a long piece of wood. We also need a thin and long piece of wood. And, and next one is television. It is a popular entertainment device. It is very common and is found in almost all of the house. The word television as a device can be termed as a device with a screen for receiving signals. Next one is sun. It is the smallest star in the space. When when all know we all know about the cycle of human life. First child, then teenager, then adult, and then old. Likewise, the sun is also in its adult age. And approximately we have only 157.82 million years to live because when the sun stretched out at his old age and became to a red giant, and then human life shall be not possible. And the last one is dimension. It is like a
Human
portal
life, human
to
life,
another world that
human life, hello. Human life shall be no, human life would be no possible. Not possible.
human life would be not possible. And the last one is dimension. It is like a portal to yeah, it is like a portal to another world that is not yet discovered by the humanity. Here we are living in fourth dimension, as in first dimension and second dimension only only place and mass of the object will be concluded, and in third and fourth dimension time and the and the movement of object will be concluded. That's why in the fourth dimension it is not possible to build a time machine. Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Nice. Nicely you have said, Karan. Very good. So send me your answers in the group. Your answer, whatever you
Okay,
wrote,
ma'am.
you send. Okay. Next, who will be telling?
Ma'am.
Okay. Please start.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yeah, you can speak.
My topic is market, clothes, friend, environment, teachers, book, festival, and parents. First is market. Uh, the exchange of goods and service and buy more things which you wear want. A market is a place where parties can gather to collect and buy things. Second is clothes. Clothes, also known as garments, dress, attires. Clothes, clothes is made of fabrics or textiles. Some fabrics are man-made like khadi, and some are natural products. Third topic is friends. Friends is a relationship relationship of two and more people, such as classmates, neighbor, etc. Friends are people we care about. We share fun, help, and trust. They makes life better. And fourth is environment. Nature around us, like air, water, and trees. We must protect it to stay healthy, reduce waste, and use wisely. Teachers. Topic is teachers. Teach students various subjects, helping them learn and grow. They guide, inspire, and create a positive learning environment. Books. Books are like magic doors, opening words. Words on page tell stories, teach, and makes imagination soar, explore. And seventh is festival. Festival is a celebration with music, foods, and fun. People come together to enjoy special tradition and create happy memories. And eighth is parents. Parents love, care, and guide. They are family leaders. Teach, support, and appreciate you. Important for growth and well settled. Done, ma'am.
Very good. Brilliant. Brilliant. Very, very nicely, very well you have done, Trisha. I'm really so happy.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm feeling really ecstatic. Okay, very good. Well done. You'll go really successfully. Okay, next, who will be the next one? Please let me know. Hello? Yes,
Can I?
yes. Please start.
Okay. So, example speech. My first topic is on market. Market is a place where we go to buy things. And personally, women like a lot to go in the market. They get ecstatic and accelerated when they go there. And in the market, there is exquisite things. And in the market, the limit of the people and incessantly grow, like the rush is there. And if we are feeling ravenous, then also there is a lot of facilities of food. My next topic is on clothes. So clothes is very crucial for us, and in winters clothes have many varieties, and in clothes is very crucial for us, and mostly in winters. Clothes have many varieties like silk, cotton, jute, etc. There is a lot of designs in the clothes on the clothes for children, adult, older, younger. There is many varieties, and nowadays some of the person making clothes with other things also. According to me, clothes is exquisite and very crucial for us. My third topic is on friend. So, friend is a part of our life. Without a friend, our life is incomplete because many sad things and some personal things only we can share with our friends. And everybody have their own best friends, and we can talk with our best friends, our friends openly. There is not such problem. My next fourth topic is on home. So, home is a place where we live, and in our India, we pray the the home. And most of the person don't have their own home, and in their life they have to live, and there is a lot of problems in their life. They have to live in others' home. They pay rent they pay rent of the homes owner, and many person are there who can't live in rent home, who can't live in rent home because uh, because of their mysterious problems, mysterious conditions. And my fifth topic is on India. So India is very exquisite. Many of the many of the tourists come here for a trip to see Taj Mahal, Lal Killa, most of the things. And in India there is very cultural things. And India is country. Is a country. It is only a country in which most of the festivals celebrated. And in India, Holi and Diwali is the greatest festivals. India have a lot of specialties. My next topic, like sixth topic, is on water. Water is very crucial because without it, all the living beings will die. And if you are thinking that food is also there, by eating food only we can live, so so we can live. So but food comes from natural vegetations like trees, plants, and for making food they have to grow up, but without water how they will grow? As as uh, so please save water, save earth, and save life. So, and my next topic, seventh is singing. So, singing is an art. It is not easy. Only some of the person can caught it. They can caught the dhun and many things. Like not every, and in our India there is a lot of singers, but in emotion Arijit Singh is the king. He sings very nicely. In related to it, there is a rap also, and and a rap also, and it is also a type of song we can say like singing. And in rap, I think one is there, Hani Singh. He is the greatest, and he is the best singer. Yeah, many more is also there, but according to me, I think he is the best. And my next and the last topic is on blanket. So blanket is very important in winters because in winters only many of the persons dead, and just because of the cold they are very and just because of the cold, like they are very poor and they can't afford to buy the blankets. That's why. But some of the persons are there who distributes the blanket to the poor person. They had saved lot of lives. Yeah, that's all about my topics. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Shikha. It was very, really, really very awesome. But whenever you use important, you can use phenomenal, you can use crucial, you can use prominent, you can use significant. So many things, many words are there. You can use them, and that would be very, very extraordinary.